I love it when he's flying the drone and he's like, okay, go. Can you see the drone? I'm like, where? I can't see it at all.
To the right.
All I see are little birds that look like drones. The original drones, may I add. So we are attempting to fly our drone. We're planning on meeting up with some friends and then heading over to take some pictures in the church. And that's actually where they got married, and it looks absolutely stunning. I can't wait for you guys to see. I think the really awesome thing about coming to islands like Dominican Republic or Cuba, or just any island that has that really nice Spanish architecture, is that it's untouched, it's kept up, but you really get a feel for that very nice original and authentic look, and it's absolutely stunning. We're gonna go check that out, but for now we're trying to fly our drone. Junior is setting it up, and I actually bought these filters for the drone on Amazon. I don't know if DJI makes them, I have to check the box, but we used it the other day when we were in Boca Chica, in that restaurant that was right on the water, and I mean, it looks beautiful. And there it goes.
Seguro está bueno, lo que uno un poco, porque soy cubana, entonces está súper fuerte.
It's church.
Bueno, no se sabe mucho broma.
Let's see if you see it.
This is so strong. I don't even know where the mojito part is. It's just rum. I had him try it because he said, I was like, I know you Dominicans like to, you know, get your strong drink on, but well. So one of the most helpful things that I've found while I've been here is the local Yelp. It's the same concept, you know, people review it, there's photos, the menus on there, and prices, which is really awesome when you're traveling and you can just check it out instead of necessarily having to stop in every single place, and you can find the genre of food that you're looking for. While we're here, we always just try to eat as much Dominican food as possible, but one of my favorite things to eat here is Dominican sushi. Obviously sushi is not Dominican, but they make it with plantain, like sweet plantain rice, and it's absolutely delicious. So hopefully when we go back to the city, we'll be able to stop by the Dominican sushi place. The place we went to last time we were in DR was called Yocomo, but apparently there's another place called Bam Bam Sushi in Santo Domingo, and it's really great Dominican sushi, and it's all the rave. So we're gonna get out of the water soon, and we are going to change and head to our friend Carolina and Arturo's house, and then we're gonna go head to the church. Okay, bam, I'm ready. That wasn't as fast as this vlog might seem. Something that's a straight struggle is I'm always running late, and running late and trying to vlog does not mix well. Of course, Junior already left me, and I wasn't sure if I should wear these glasses or these yellow ones. I guess it's not like I can get good feedback from you guys in time. I think I'm gonna take the other ones in my purse because I can never make up my mind. I kind of get the feeling our ride isn't here, and Junior only lied to me because he's trying to hurry me up, which is a good thing, because if you give me 3 hours, I'll take 3 hours. I'll probably nap and eat for like 2.5, and then I'll look at my phone for 15 minutes, and then I'll be like procrastinating till the end and get ready in like 15 minutes, and then I'll be late. So, oh, I almost forgot. It's so much perfume. I can taste it. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. I also don't know where he went. So, ¿dónde fue? Está, okay. We've planned a few beach days this week that I'm really excited about. One of them is Sosua, the other one is Cayo Arena, which is like a cave in the middle of the water. I think I talked about it, but I can't wait to go and film there. And now hopefully we're getting some lunch. I don't know where, it'll be a surprise. And then we can head right over to that gorgeous church. So, hey Papa. They're friends. They're like, oh, poor little cutie pie. Oh, apparently he's ordered us food so we can eat here. So we were just hanging out for a little bit. We just ate. Literally just walking around exploring and taking cool pictures of the leaves and just enjoying the day because it's so nice and warm. In Michigan today, it's snowing. I think we were projected to get like 6 inches of snow. And I love snow and it's absolutely gorgeous, but I'm really happy to be enjoying some of this warm weather and seeing some of these trees with their tropical fruit. Oh, it's like a cute little hammock.
You look super uncomfortable.
Wow, si mi papá ve esto le da una envidia. Sí, él siempre ha querido una hamaca y tenemos 2 pinos en el patio, que está muy lejos. 2 pinos porque cae nieve.
Lo único que te falta. ¿Y qué mata es, Arturo?
Wow. Wow, qué rica está esta hamaca. Ya no necesito más nada.
Arturo, vamos.
Yay! We made it to the church. I've been saying all day that we're going to the church, and now we're here. It's so pretty. It's even prettier up close, to be completely honest.
Gosh.
How nicely they have the gardens turned right here. Isn't it? It's beautiful.
I want to take like a little couple photo shoots up here.
I want to take some photos. Alright, so we are done exploring the church.
Hey, why are you holding the camera? Wait, I'll hold it, man.
Okay. What are we gonna do next? I need coffee.
So we need a coffee. So I'm going to play basketball in a little bit. Let's wait from 6:30 to 8, probably 6. Mary, I don't know what she's gonna do. Oh man, that sound. So, well, yeah, I'm gonna play basketball. Mary's probably gonna do. I don't know what you're gonna do actually. I don't know what she does when I play basketball. I don't know.
I run off into the world of womandom, where we do online shopping and then we, you know, gossip about our relationship to everyone who asks.
Your vacation, but we got an activity today at 8 o'clock.
Our friend is having a get together at his house tonight. Oh my God, a drone!
Oh, there we go.
Oh, it's awesome.
See?
Look, someone else is flying their drone.
I need to fly my drone. They're also trying to get that footage.
Land yours here. No, you're still recording. And
you were really parked.
Woo! That sneeze just drove me into another dimension. But I'm back and I'm in Moca.
Look back at me, fool.
We're going home. I'm trying to find a fruit stand around here somewhere so I can stop and get something yummy like a little coconut or something. Alright guys, I am coming back to the hotel and going to the room. Hola, ¿cómo están? I don't know how my camera, the battery has lasted this long, but it has. So I'm gonna charge my camera, and I think I'm gonna go upstairs and just relax by the pool for a little bit. Junior went to go play basketball, and I'm just gonna hang out. So here I am back in my room, and we have that thing at 8 o'clock. I'm probably not gonna take the vlog, but maybe I'll try to take some video on my cell phone. I'm gonna relax, so just leave me to it. Okay, so I went upstairs instead of napping, and I went up to the pool and did some work and did some editing, and I just came back to the room. I didn't take my camera up there because my battery was charging, but I'm just gonna do a little bit more work and edit some more footage. And I'm starving, so I actually called the front desk and they brought me a menu. So grab this, a little better lighting here. Alrighty then. They brought me a menu so I can order. So hopefully I'll just order like something. Everything is super inexpensive. It's like $5. They have like quite a few things on here, and they have drinks too. I'm not gonna get a drink because after that mojito this morning, which was a squirt of lemon and half a tank of alcohol, no thank you. But they do have chinola, which is a fruit that's super popular here in Dominican Republic, and they make fresh juice with it, so I'm probably gonna get one of those. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some work and relax until Junior comes back from basketball and we can go to our friend's get together at his house. Looked at the menu and I'm super picky. They don't have anything I can eat, so I think I'll just work for a little bit. And yes, good night guys, see you tomorrow.